Hi, Pete here to talk about the Joydeco Blackout No Drill mini blinds. So we just got brand new windows put in our house, and we had roller shades in the past. The roller shades tear, they start to yellow after a while. They really don't look really nice. So I wanted some cellular shades that would be blackout and would be easy to install. So I've already installed 2 sets of these in my master bedroom. So I'm going to show just how incredibly easy it is to install these. I almost feel like I'm cheating. So out of the package, it comes with rubber bumper pads already installed on both sides of the mini blind. All I have to do is make sure that I put the writing to the back and the access hole shows in the front. That access hole is going to allow me to tighten this once I put it in. So this is how easy this is to put in. I put the left side up against the top corner of the frame. I push the right side in and I slide it into place all the way up and all the way back. And because I custom ordered the size, it already fits, but I'm going to tighten it up with the included screwdriver they give me. So my windows were 34.5 inches wide. I ordered a 35-inch blind. The instructions on the site said 1/2 inch is what you want. So I had a 1/2 inch to spare. It fits perfectly. I put this screwdriver, which is really an Allen wrench screwdriver, into this hole, and I'm going to tighten it up until it is tight. Now this is firmly in there and I can't wiggle it, and it's actually already installed. So 30 seconds. The only thing I have left to do is to snap on a handle. So I'm just going to go to the midpoint and I'm going to snap the handle on. And now I've got blinds that are not only decorative, but they're also blackout. So when these blinds are down, it's really going to block the light. You want to take a nap during the day, you're going to want to get the Joydeco blinds. You want blinds that look nice, better than a pull down, get Joydeco. And if you want blinds that are literally that easy to install, get the Joydeco blinds. It's Pete. Thanks for watching.